Hey everyone, I'm Joel Lim, an analyst at Trading.Biz and featured on Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, NASDAQ, and more. As we edge closer to the hurricane season, many of us think about the high winds and rain that could cause widespread damage. But did you know that hurricanes can also present unique investment opportunities? Today I'm here to share with you two of the best stocks to invest in during hurricane season. Let's dive in. Ticker symbol HD. Home improvement retail companies like Home Depot play a massive role in the aftermath of hurricanes, providing the essential materials needed for rebuilding. This increased demand often leads to a spike in their stock prices. Home Depot is the largest home improvement retailer in the US, controlling about 70% of the market share. It's reasonably priced and performing well in the market. Wall Street analysts have projected its quarterly earnings per share at $3.61, with a revenue around $36 billion. Overall, Home Depot's market share and price-earning ratio make it an ideal investment, especially during and after hurricane season when the share price tends to appreciate. So if you're looking for a solid stock during hurricane season, Home Depot is a great choice. Next, let's talk about Walmart, ticker symbol WMT. The consumer staples sector also sees increased activity during hurricane season, as people stock up on essentials like food, water, and gas. Retailers like Walmart play a crucial role in meeting these demands, leading to a rise in their stock prices. Walmart, an American multinational retail company, is a household name with a nationwide chain of supermarkets. Recently, Walmart's yearly revenue saw a 4.5% increase, reaching $159 billion. The company is expanding with plans to open over 150 new stores across the US in the next 5 years. E-commerce in the US is up 17% this year, highlighting significant growth in the consumer staples industry, where Walmart is a major player. Consumer staples is a winning industry that thrives in every season. With hurricane season just a few weeks away, investors should consider Walmart stocks for a maximum return on investment. So there you have it. Walmart and Home Depot are two of the best stocks to consider as hurricane season approaches. Both companies are well positioned to benefit from the increased demand for their products during this time. If you're looking to capitalize on the market movements during hurricane season, these stocks are worth a closer look.